Oh, my stomach. It is time. The baby is coming.
What do we do? I am panicking. This is scary.
Where are my keys? I cannot find them. Help me!
Look at him. He is so small. Say hello.
This bear is perfect. It is very soft. Buy it.
It is too big. The baby is tiny. Put it back.
He needs a skateboard. He will be cool. Get it.
Babies cannot skate. They only crawl. No way.
Babies love candy. I will share it. So yummy.
They only drink milk. No candy yet. Nice try.
Look at this hat. It is a dinosaur. Roar loudly.
That is very cute. We will take it. Good job.
He needs sunglasses. The sun is bright. Try it.
My cart is full. This is so heavy. Let's pay.
I am the cashier. Give me money. Be quick. Don't forget the socks. His feet are cold. Paid.
My back hurts. You bought too much. Let's go.
Put it in the trunk. We are rich. Drive home.
You did great. Shopping is over. Time to rest.
We must paint today. Do not touch it. Careful.
The wall is boring. It needs sun. Watch me. Magic dust everywhere. It is shiny. I love it. Look at my hands. It is an art. So bright.
Oh no! The dog is red! Catch him quickly!
Oops, I fell down. My pants are dirty. Fun.
You look like a frog. This is funny. Stay still.
Now you are a tiger. Roar loudly. Take that.
What is happening? The room is ruined. My gosh.
There is paint everywhere. You are covered in it.
We made a masterpiece. It is beautiful. Right? The dog helped too. He made flowers. Look here.
You are crazy, kids. This is crazy. Go wash up.
I like these hands. We will keep them. Special.
Here we go again. Get the soap. I will clean.
Oh, my stomach. It is time. The baby is coming.
Are you sure? Right now? We must hurry.
What do we do? I am panicking. This is scary. I have my bag. I am ready. Let's drive.
Where are my keys? I cannot find them! Help me!
They are in your pocket. Breathe deeply. Calm.
I found them! Let's get in the car. Go! Go!
Drive safely. Do not speed. I am fine.
Will the baby be okay? I am worried. It is fast. Mom is strong. Doctors are smart. Do not worry.
Sit down here. We will help you. Stay relaxed. Be good for Dad. I will see you soon. Love you.
Good luck, Mom. You can do it. We will wait.
Bring back a cute baby. See you later. Bye-bye.
This takes so long. I am nervous. Walk with me.
Stop pacing around. You make me dizzy. Sit down. Have a snack. It will help. Try this chip.
Congratulations! You have a baby boy. He is healthy. Thank goodness. Can we see him? Lead the way.
I am a big sister. This is awesome. Let's go.
Is he cute? Does he have hair? Tell me now.
Look at him. He is so small. Say hello. His skin is soft. He looks like a potato. So cute. He grabbed my finger. He is strong. I love him.
Welcome to the world. We are your family. Hello?
You two are big sisters now. Help me out. We will protect him. We are the bosses. Trust us.
Sleep tight, little brother. Sweet dreams.
He sneezed. That was loud. Bless you, baby.
Our family is complete. I am happy. Best day ever.